tamarind paste or tamarind water. Like I told you, is when you make, you have a bowl, one bowl, and another pot and a strainer. Because after you make done, you have to boiling. Same, this is tamarind. Just put the water. This is how much water. Water for your hand can mix the tamarind with water. That's it. This is like this. See that? And then you just make with water. So if you make so if you take out from the packaging, it's dry like this. You soak in the warm water first to make them soft. This one you soak in the water first, make them soft, and then you can mix with small water. And then, but this one in the packet, they not have the sting stamp. They not have this one, but in Thai, with the sting stamp, they can help your finger to take the tamarind dissolve with the water more easy when your hand is squeeze it. And this one, you still the tamarind, they come out. See, that's done have. And then you can put in the strainer, but you cannot finish, not finish yet. Like this. See, like you have like this. This is also in the packet. Again, that's the water. If you have too much water, no problem when you boiling. You can reduce the water again. But this one have. Okay, because like we told everyone when they come to learn with me in my class, in my in here in Thailand with me, I have to tell you many times not wait anything. Okay, second time. Now yes, a third time, the water look different, more light, and the tamarind, so it's light. See, that's the tamarind, they come out, and you can have. Is the Thai old style. We never make like this. Just tamarind put in the curry, put in the soup, and then you cook. You have like this in the curry. We can eat it. But right now, no, everything make to make only the juice. Okay. So same day, if you cook with the fish, you can use this one for the clean the fish. This one, you can use to keep this one to clean the fish because this one take out the fishy. They also clean. Example is like this when you clean. Example is look like this the fish. If you same time you have that's one they also we use this one to clean the fish like this to make the fish not smell more fishy. You can use all that's to clean all the fish. Okay, this is done 3 times. Okay, after the 3 times, this is tamarind. The color is light. And then you have in the pot, you bring to boiling. This one is boiling, and then you have a tamarind paste or tamarind water. If you buy from the packaging, it's tamarind paste. It's same like you make the first time. They look more thicker, but this one not so thick like a tamarind water. This also good. If a tamarind paste, you can use only like half from the recipe when they say the tamarind paste 2 tablespoons. Okay, there's this one, and then you bring to boiling. It start already, but this one you see like the water. After you boiling, you can same like when you boiling, you can have like a. So like this, you bring to boiling. After when you boiling, you can see around the pot the steam, the boiling. Just start a little bit steam. just start a little bit boiling. That's when they keep in boil. And then it's not very high heat, just like a medium. Just like medium and low, the boiling. This one boiling. Reduce a little bit water. Then you can, they can feel like a more thicker. Or you can use like this after the fire like this, see? Or also like a low, for the gas we call the low, for electric medium. Just boiling, reduce a little bit of water. That's okay, that's enough.